Good morning. I'm Juan from Saul Autotek, and today we're gonna talk a little bit about myself. So, my life, how I always revolved around cars, but I never actually had the time to actually work on them. I was afraid to touch them until I met Saul, the owner of Saul's Autotek. When I first met Saul, I met him at a barbecue. He was actually helping me lowering my car. And ever since that, we became good friends. So he offered me a job as a janitor at his first location. And ever since that, I started moving on and on. I was a driver, like delivering parts and stuff like that. And then when we moved to the new location, they started teaching me how to work on cars, which that's where I am now. I'm a technician. I think what I like the most like to do is like brake jobs and rack and pinions, mainly because I've done so much and I'm really good at it. The only thing I don't like to do is diag, just because I don't have the knowledge how to troubleshoot stuff here and there yet, but I'm hoping to get there one day. I would tell people to come to Saul's Autotek mainly because we have a great team and we offer a great quality work that you're not gonna regret about it. I'm Juan. I will invite you to come to Saul's Autotek. We're gonna treat you like family here.